Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your phone number on Fedex account. If you want to change or update your contact phone number, then you can simply follow through the steps till the end. The first thing to do is to open a web browser of your choice and then type in fedex.com inside the URL box. Also make sure to log into your Fedex account by entering your login credentials. Once you're logged into your account, click on your profile picture or your name at the top right hand corner. Now select My Profile from the expanded menu. You will now end up in your profile overview page. From the left hand side menu, click on the Contact Information button. Under Contact Information, you will be able to find all of your contact name, address, and phone number. Click on Edit right next to contact name and address. Now, scroll down and get to the phone number section. In your primary phone number, go ahead and erase your current phone number and type down a new phone number. After you are done, click on Save Changes and you have now successfully updated your phone number on Fedex account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.